kitchen prescription. Today, I don't have very much in my fridge, but what I do have, I have like some key ingredient staples that will make a really great Italian cacciatore. Cacciatore in Italian means hunter, so perfect, right? Cacciatore is typically made with tomatoes, onions, herbs, wine. Who doesn't like wine? Guilty. I have some leftover hot Italian sausage from Friday from a pizza that I made. I'm gonna go ahead and use that up. Let's go ahead and get started. Follow me to my tiny kitchen. First thing we're gonna do is just fry off the Italian sausage. I just happen to have 4 slices left, so that's what's getting cooked. Remove the sausage and let it cool a few minutes before slicing. Chop 1 whole sweet pepper and about 1/2 cup of yellow onion. You'll also need a couple cloves of garlic. In the same pan that you used to brown the sausage, add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to saute your peppers, onions, and garlic. Once this heats up, I'm going to cook off the pepper, the onion, and I'll throw the garlic in here right before I add the sausage back. And then I'll just reduce that with a little bit of wine. And then I'll add my chicken broth and tomatoes. Go ahead and put these in there. Burn. I clearly know what I'm doing here. A little salt. Pepper. You're getting all those nice bits off the bottom there. What chefs like to call layering flavors. Okay, well that finishes to cook off. I'm gonna open a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. I just use regular Italian sauce. You could use crushed tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, what have you, but I like just a regular sauce. And then pro tip, never use a wine that you wouldn't drink yourself. I'm just gonna use about 1/2 cup of this red wine. Okay, pop a little garlic in there. This garlic press from Pampered Chef is everything. Not sponsored. It'll go a long way. It smells good. I'm going to turn this up just a little bit and pour my red wine in. Look at the pan, Sherry, not the camera. Then I'll just let this reduce down a few minutes. Return the sausage to the pan and saute it just a little more. I'm adding about 1/2 cup of chicken stock. Now I'm just going to add my sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to go pick some oregano, chop it up and throw it in there. That should be good. I have a little bit of parsley here that I already tore off a little, and I'm just gonna chop up my oregano with the parsley and throw this in. Everyone has a secret ingredient for their sauce. Mine is a tablespoon of brown sugar for every 28 ounces of sauce. Now I get to drink my leftover wine and do a taste test. That's good. That is really good. Tastes Italian. There's nice depth of flavor with the wine. Reducing that wine down really brought an extra element to the sauce. And then the sausage is spicy. And you have the sweet peppers and that little hint of brown sugar that I threw in there with the Parmesan cheese. Spot on. I'm just going to cover this, let it simmer, and then I'll serve it with pasta tonight. That's good. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out thekitchenprescription.com for more recipes. See you next time.